Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some super helpful tips for learning English. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve, these tips will definitely help you make progress. So let's get started. Tip number one, follow the do's and don'ts of language learning. It's crucial, to be honest, to have a roadmap to guide you. Always practice speaking even if you're unsure. These guidelines are here to help you avoid common mistakes and make the most of your study time. Remember, it's better to make mistakes and learn from them than to stay silent. Next, to make yourself understood in English, try to speak clearly and confidently. Clarity is key. Focus on pronunciation and enunciation. Don't stress too much about having a perfect accent. The main goal is for others to understand you. And guess what? Your confidence will grow as you practice. Tip 3, remember, learning English involves trial and error. Don't be afraid to experiment with new vocabulary and grammar structures. This process is essential for growth. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. So go ahead and try out different words and sentences, and you'll learn what works and what doesn't. Tip 4, make the most of your classroom time. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and practice and participate actively. This environment is designed for you to practice and improve. The more active you are, the more you'll benefit. And tip 5, learn vocabulary and phrases by heart. It might seem tedious and tiring, I know, but memorization is incredibly useful. Having a repertoire of words and phrases ready will make it easier to express yourself. I don't know, use flashcards, apps, or old-fashioned repetition to drill these into your memory. Tip number 6, don't hesitate to say new words out loud. Speaking aloud helps you remember pronunciation and meaning better. When you read a new word, say it out loud a few times. This practice might feel awkward at first, I know, but it's super effective. Tip number 7, don't get behind with your studies. Consistency is crucial. Make sure to attend all your classes and sessions and keep up with your homework. Falling behind can make it hard to catch up and stay motivated, so stay on top of your work. If you find yourself struggling, try to catch up by reviewing your notes and asking for help from classmates or your teacher. Don't let gaps in your knowledge hold you back. Sometimes a different perspective can really help things click. Tip number 9, never give up on learning English, even when it seems challenging. Persistence is your best ally and friend. Every bit of practice helps. Keep practicing and celebrate the small victories along the way. Tip number 10, stick at it. Consistent effort pays off. Stay dedicated to your practice and you'll see progress. It might be slow at first, I know, but every bit of improvement builds up. And finally, with consistent effort and practice, you'll get there and achieve your language learning goals. Remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. All right, so stay patient and persistent and you'll reach your goals. Keep your end goal in sight and work steadily towards it. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more language learning advice. Leave a comment down below with your favorite tip or any questions you have. And thank you so much. Happy learning! and we'll see you next time.